Hello, in this video I want to show you how to invert colors on Tolino Reader. And to do this, first option for it is to click on this sun button right here in the home screen, and then you can change the appearance to bright or dark, and this will invert the colors. Now the second option is to click on the three lines in the top left corner of the screen, move to the settings, here enter illumination, and you'll be able to do basically the same thing. And third and last option is by scrolling down from top of the screen to open the same illumination settings. And here we have the same options. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.